Hey folks, we're gonna work on this back door here. Get the window regulator out and the door latch out. The other one, on the other side, I just got done to kind of figure it out a little bit. And it wasn't that big a deal. Actually, I think I figured it out. But this goes all the way up. And this thing comes out of this hole right here on this thing here. So, and then these screws came out okay. This is the easy part. This lock mess here. It turned into a bit of a chore, but nothing, awful. There it is. Window regulator. Now this thing here, I took this off first. I've already sprayed these. I sprayed these a couple days ago. Door latch. And these screws here. Now before I forget, I think I'll spray this. Now, let's see, how do I do that? Let's see. And this thing here has a Phillips screw in it. It'll take this off. Ta-da! That'll allow this thing. This was the problem right here. Getting this out of here. Because you got this window thing here that goes, this window channel that goes down past that. And see what I mean right there? So anyway, I will continue to struggle. I ended up ending this channel here. Probably not the way you're supposed to do it, but we're not saving that anyway. There we go. Ta-da! Well, that thing still works though. Alright, now we're gonna get this thing off here. The other two came off just fine. Oh yeah, no problem. And now, I already got these screws here broke loose on the hinges. And there we go. Just that easy. Well, thanks for watching. I'll catch y'all later.